Who wants to play some Jeopardy? Caesar?
I take Swiss for 500.
All right, we got SWIS for 500. And we have a video daily double. So first video is here in standard procedures. We have a brand new SWIS added to the list, and it's an operations weekly drafting meeting SWIS. So here it is. It's pretty easy, just 5 steps with lots of instructional videos and a template agenda. So the main change here is that the PM is now in charge of scheduling this meeting. It's okay for the drafter to run it as long as the PM, schedules it between these times. So I won't bore you with the details. It's all in here. And for the second video, I have to give credit to Grumpy Cat Productions. If you go under the Field tab, I was having trouble uploading my video on YouTube. So there's a quick link here that shows you how to upload your video. And it has an SOP with clear instructions if you forget the password or the username. So there you have it. Thank you.